Hi there, I'm Robert, and if you're watching this, chances are you're retired, or thinking about it and wondering, what's next? Let me tell you, retirement is not the finish line. It's actually the start of a new race. And guess what? You can still earn money, even if you don't know your way around a smartphone. Now, I'll be honest. When I first left my job, I had no clue what to do with myself. I didn't want to pick up another 9 to 5, but I also didn't want to just sit around all day. So I started exploring ways to make a little money from home. And no, I'm not talking about risky online schemes or anything that'll have you glued to a screen. The first thing I tried was sharing what I already knew. I started tutoring kids in my neighborhood, in math, piano, even just reading. You'd be amazed how many parents are looking for extra help, and you don't need a fancy degree, just patience and a love for helping out. Next, I looked into pet sitting and dog walking. If you like animals, this is a win-win. Apps and local boards are full of people who need a reliable neighbor. You set your own hours, get fresh air, and yes, you get paid. Then, I found out about selling on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. You don't need a website, you don't need to be a computer whiz. If you have old collectibles, tools, or even furniture, snap a photo, write a description, and see what happens. I made hundreds clearing out my garage. Another option? Freelance your life experience. Maybe you're good with taxes or know how to fix things around the house. People pay for that wisdom. Sites like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack let you offer your skills, your way. And here's my personal favorite, writing stories and memories. You'd be surprised how many people want someone to help write their biography or document family history. I got started on Fiverr, and now I help folks preserve their stories for future generations. The point is, you don't need to be a tech expert to make money after retirement. Use what you already have, your time, your wisdom, your life experience. So if you're feeling restless or just want some extra income, try one of these ideas. You might be surprised at how rewarding it is, both for your wallet and your heart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips, and remember, retirement is just the beginning.